Do you want to know how to manage the arrival to your Disney International program? Don't worry, I got you covered. I'll show you how to save time, money, and a lot of stress, alright? Check out this video. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case this is your first time watching, my name is Kristina and I was a Disney College Program participant and a Disney culture representative for Germany. Sorry, got that one wrong. I know a thing or two about arriving to the US in a lot of different situations because I've lived there for 3 years at different times, so I know how to manage your arrival to success. Let's start with just thinking about how much in advance would you like to get to Orlando. I know we all get an arrival date from Disney, which basically means you have to show up on that exact day to that exact housing complex and tell them, hey, here I am, let's go, let's do this. Of course, you gotta get there at least 1 day before, so you have a night of sleep and can get started the very next day with moving into Disney housing. So here are a couple of options that I would like to introduce to you. They're all a little bit different, have their pros and cons, so think about it, which one is the best solution for you. First option would be staying at a Disney resort. Okay, I know this is probably the most expensive, but it's also the most convenient and of course the most magical way to start your program. This is what I did my last program. So I checked into one of the value resorts for 1 night because here's the thing. Disney has the Magical Express, which takes you from the airport in Orlando to the resort that you booked, so you don't have to worry about transportation at all. All you have to do is just show up over there, show them your reservation, and they put you and your luggage on the bus and take you to the hotel. So you can just spend the night there, and the very next morning you'll take an Uber, a Lyft, or whatever other form of transportation to your complex that you're about to move into. Option number 2 is staying at a hotel close to the airport. So here's the thing. If you do arrive at a very late time at the airport in Orlando, I'm sure all you want to do is just get to a hotel, take a shower, maybe have some food, and then go to bed because you're tired, exhausted, and probably jet lagged. So if you book a resort or a hotel room close to the airport, the benefit is they have shuttle services that take you from the airport to your resort or hotel room. So you check in, and then the very next morning you take an Uber or a Lyft to your housing complex. So option number 3 is staying at the resort or a hotel close to Disney housing. So here's the thing, if you do arrive to Orlando or at Orlando Airport really early in the day, I would highly recommend getting a hotel room close to the complexes. So you would take an Uber or a Lyft from the airport to your hotel, check in, drop your bags, do whatever you need to do, and then you still have the whole day ahead of you. I know some people did that, just checked into a hotel close to Vista. There's a Holiday Inn Express right across the street, and they the whole arrival booked the room there, and so they met up for the very first time and had dinner together. So if you do arrive early at the airport, that's something I would highly recommend you. Taking an Uber or a Lyft is not a big deal. Make sure to download the apps beforehand and also create an account, and you're good to go. So here's a bonus tip. in case you are gonna be traveling during your time at Disney but somewhere else and you find yourself at the airport again, here's the thing on saving a couple of dollars on Uber and Lyft, because it can get really expensive if you take a Lyft or an Uber directly from the airport in the airport area back to housing. So what a lot of people did, including myself, we took one of the public buses that is stopping at the airport in Orlando for I think $2 a person, and then we took the bus to the very next stop. So the next stop is already off of the airport zone, and if you get off there and then order your Uber or your Lyft, it's gonna be a lot, well, not a lot cheaper, but a couple of dollars cheaper, and it's a good way to save some money, especially if you're by yourself. And I promise you, you're gonna save more than just $2 because that's what you spend on your bus ticket. So did you like the video? I hope it was helpful to you, I really do. Please let me know in the comments below and give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure to subscribe down below for some weekly tips and tricks on how to save time and money while having the most magical year of your life, okay? So let me know if you already have your arrival date, or have you already planned your arrival. Let me know down in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. Also, if you have any questions or have any ideas of what you want me to talk in my next videos, let me know and I'll check it out and get back to you, hopefully with a video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.